Now, medical personnel in Siaya are sounding an alarm over the increasing positivity rate of COVID-19 infections that is being driven by the Omicron variant. According to the County Immunization Coordinator, Joshua Ondiege, the county has been recording as high as 50% positivity rate daily. This coming as data from the Ministry of Health indicates that Tana River has fully vaccinated the least number of people at 3.6%, while Nairobi leads at 34.3%.
Kenya continues to record a double-digit COVID-19 infection rate for weeks now. On Monday, 1,223 new COVID-19 infections were recorded out of 4,003 samples screened. These indicating a 30.6% positivity rate. County governments have been urged to be extra vigilant, with Nairobi leading in the number of infections at 611. Nairobi is followed by Taita Taveta at 103 cases, Siaya 77, Kiambu 65 and Migori 38. Medical professionals in Siaya County are concerned by the number of cases being recorded in the county. The County Immunization Coordinator Joshua Ondiege says Siaya has been recording a 50% positivity rate, with a high number being attributed to the Omicron variant.
Basically, people have relaxed. You see, even now during the festive season, the Christmas time, people are just mixing freely. People are not minding about the mask, the distancing. It is something that's of concern, but yes, the transmission, and that's what has even made the transmission to rise the way you see. You see, out to around 50% positivity rate is too high.
Ondiege said that majority of the hospital admissions were the unvaccinated people.
Why we are saying vaccination is very important, all the people that have died within our isolation wards, they are all people who have not gotten vaccine. And even most over 80% of the people who are admitted in the ward, they are people who have not gotten the vaccines. The rest of the other people, even if they get the infections, at least it's manageable, they are managed at home for home isolation.
On the 31st of December 2021, Kenya surpassed its target of vaccinating 10 million people before the end of the year. According to data from the Ministry of Health, Nairobi leads in number of those fully vaccinated at 34.3%, followed by Nyeri at 31.7%, Laikipia 25.1%, Kiambu 22.5%, and Kakamega 19.4%. The data further shows that Tana River has the least number of vaccinated people at 3.6%, followed by Turkana at 4.5%, Wajir at 4.7%, Narok 5.2%, and Bomet 5.3%.
It is important that the government really educate the Kenyans, make them understand the need for the vaccines, and most importantly, make it accessible at every point. So that if you come here for a press conference, if you've already been vaccinated, we should not be denied the chance, but we get a point to be vaccinated. It should be everywhere. Those restaurants and supermarkets should be put at the point of being vaccinated, because when you look clearly in the rural areas and many parts of this country, there are no vaccines available to everybody readily to be vaccinated.
Nancy Okware, Lunchtime News.